As a seller in today's housing market, the anticipation of an offer can be very exciting as well as very frustrating. Hi, I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty and Homes by Mariela. Selling your home can bring many different emotions, especially when it comes to receiving offers. Your home is often your most prized possession or your greatest asset. So if you receive a lowball offer, this can be a little daunting or even make you feel resentful. But don't despair. Stop and take a deep breath, because although it's a lowball offer, it is still an offer. According to Realtors.com, a lowball offer can lead to a successful sale if the seller and their agent play their cards right. After all, it is you as the seller who has the ultimate decision on whether you accept or reject the offer, so the ball is in your court. Keep in mind that just because a buyer starts with a low offer doesn't mean they aren't trying to take advantage. There's always room for negotiation, whether it'll be on price or on other terms, such as a free rent back to allow you more time to move. Bottom line, no seller dreams of getting a lowball offer, but with an experienced agent and the right strategy, you can turn a mediocre offer into a great sale. Feel free to connect with me so I can help you strategize your next move and sell your home. I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty, helping you make the right move.